I feel like I'm gonna like this. I feel it in my heart. Hi guys, and welcome back to Maslow Bakery. I know it's been a while, but in today's video we're gonna be trying out some viral TikTok hacks or food recipes, however you want to call it. Lately I have
been scrolling on TikTok like crazy.
I forget I have to sleep and I keep scrolling and scrolling because they're actually interesting, creative content on TikTok. I found some TikTok recipes that are actually amazing, and we're gonna be trying out those recipes today in this video to see if they are worth trying and if they're worth the likes. All right, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new, give this video a thumbs up if you don't like this video, and leave a comment down below. Without further ado, grab those baking bowls, wash those hands, and let's get right into TikTok. So the first recipe we'll be trying is the pancake cereal trend.
So I decided to hop on the trend and make pancake cereal. I put butter on the pan and made little dots using my pancake batter. I waited until they were golden brown to flip them. Next, I put them in a bowl and poured syrup all over them.
So first what you need is to start making your pancake mix. And I'm gonna start from scratch, you guys. No box over here. So first you add your butter. I'm gonna crack my egg. Then I'm gonna add my milk. I'm gonna mix this all in. I'm gonna add my flour, whatever. 2 teaspoons of sugar, and like a pinch of salt. Because when I give this, it won't be too much, I swear. And now we're gonna mix. All right, ready. First, we're gonna melt the butter in a pan just to make it like greasy enough so the pancake doesn't stick to the pan. So we're gonna do that. So to squeeze out our pancake mix, I put it in a Ziploc bag and I'm just gonna make a tiny little hole. Well, I'm just gonna squeeze out my pancake mix little by little. I think the hole I made is too small. What the fuck? Right. Yeah, it's too small. So I'm just gonna squeeze out little pancakes. Yeah, I hope this works out. Like, whoa, it's coming up from here. Just be careful when you're mixing not to like squeeze it out. So this was a fail. I'm gonna try another method because this Ziploc bag isn't working for me. But I'm just gonna finish everything in here because we're gonna use it anyways. So I'm just gonna. So obviously our first try was a fail. So I'm trying the second method where I put a hole in a bottle and I just squeeze it out. So this should work. Works fine. Try not to press too much. I'm obviously pressing too much here. All right, so we're getting there. It's taking time to like actually get brown under here. The most difficult part is like turning the pancakes the other way. It's so difficult, but we're almost there. All right. I decided to add Oreo. Like I crushed Oreo and put it in my pancake mix. I'm not sure how it's gonna come out, but let's see what the result will be. Let's get it. So this is the final result. This is the one with the Oreo. I just sprinkled like a little bit Oreo in there. And this is the plain pancake. Added strawberry and banana. And we're gonna put maple syrup on it. Let's get into tasting. So now we're gonna try the cereal. I'm trying the Oreo and my sister here is gonna try the plain. So I guess you just put some syrup on it. And we're gonna see if this is worth. Okay. It is good. I like it. Okay. It's actually really good. I like it. I don't think it's worth going through the stress of like making it tiny. The Oreo one tastes really good. I like the Oreo one. I like the Oreo one. You could try the Oreo one. It is very nice. Like it tastes like pancakes still, but with Oreos. This is good. I give it a 10 over 10. Definitely recommend. A 10 out of 10. Nice. So I'm gonna try the plain one. This is good. This is good. I prefer that one. I mean, I don't think it's worth going through the stress of actually piping or squeezing little pancake, but if you want to try it, it is good. So thumbs up, 10 out of 10. So the next recipe we're going to be trying after the pancake cereal is the viral egg sandwich.
Rise and shine. Rise and shine, that's my thing. I'm just feeling fine. Rise and shine, that's my thing. It's my time to shine. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Rise and shine, that's my thing. I'm just feeling fine. Look at the sun, it be shining so bright. Fight through the night and I start to see light. It's a grind, it don't so got me searching at night.
So it's just your regular sandwich, but it's a different technique, I guess. So we're gonna try that out. Stay tuned. Let's get it. It's like whisking my eggs together. I guess I'm just this. Oh my god, it's so hot. Should have not. So you're just meant to double. Yep. Hope this works out because this hacks haven't been working for me. Wait. Okay. By the way, I baked, this is a homemade with bread. If you'd like to see the recipe for that, it will be on the card somewhere. So now we're just gonna flip this over. I guess this is the tedious part. Yay! Oh god, I made a hole. But yeah, basically do this like this. While that is doing its thing, I'm gonna put my bacon. I baked this, I already fried this beforehand, so I guess we're just gonna put this in here, put that in here. It said close it. Oh my god, this is actually hard. Okay. And I'm gonna take my cheese. This is fat cheese. Oh. Okay, just put this. And it's time to flip. What? Okay. It's time to flip over. Yay! So look at that. The cheese in there. It's melting well. Okay. So just leave it here for a while, I think. I'm gonna cut this until I'm gonna cut this like this. So that we see how it came out. Wow, look at that. Can't wait to take a bite of this. All right, time to take a bite of your sandwich. Just take a look at that. Yum, yum. Okay, ready? Yes. Go. It's really good. It's just like your regular egg and bacon sandwich. I guess it's just a technique. It tastes exactly like an egg sandwich, but if you like the technique, you can try this technique at home. It tastes really good. It's really nice. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. It's a nice technique.
Yes.
It's different and it's just quick. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Thumbs up. If you'd like to see how to make this bread, don't forget to click the cards up here and it will be down in my description box as well. So hold up, wait a minute. Have you clicked that subscribe button yet? Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. While you're at that, just like this video as well. Give us a fat thumbs up if you do like this video. Subscribe, babies, subscribe. Okay guys, so the next recipe we're gonna try is the Oreo mug cake. So
I'm sure you to make the world's easiest snack while you're stuck home quarantine, which is Oreos and milk. Oreos into your mug. Pour in milk to cover halfway. Now mash it up with a fork, which is a good time to take out your anger for being stuck at home all day because of quarantining. Once it's done, it'll look like this. I know it look like literal dirt, but just stick with me. Place in the microwave and microwave for 75 seconds. Bam, done for the last second. All right, let's check on it. Look at that. Let's dig in. Look at that, the ultimate chocolate cake. Surprisingly, it is freaking delicious. You guys head down and try this and click that plus button for more quarantine recipe.
Oreos are already in the cup. I'm using the black ones and the white ones. And you just add your milk. I'm gonna put like halfway. All right, should be good. And I'm gonna crush this all in. Look, so I'm just gonna crush it all in there. All right. So I crushed the Oreos in here, in the cup. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna make it work. Yep. Let's get it. Put this into the microwave for 75 seconds and start. Oh, 75 seconds later, and take a look at that. Oh wow. Okay, let's try the dark Oreos. So it's finally out of the microwave. It's kind of like still liquid in there. But it tastes all solid though. Still. I think I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for like maybe 20 seconds more. Our mug cake are out of the oven. I'm just gonna put like a whipped cream in there just to like give it a little taste. Alright, and so I'm having a taste of the black Oreo. I feel like I'm gonna like this. I feel it in my heart. I put some whipped cream just to add, you know. I don't like it. No, I just don't like this. I'd rather just dip my Oreos in my milk than have this. I'm not a fan. Do you like yours?
Yes.
No, I don't like this. Let me try this one. Okay. No, it just tastes unhealthy. No, don't like it.
I love it.
I give this a 5.
10.
I don't like it. Not for me. You could try it though if you like to try it, but I don't like it. I'm not a fan. Sorry. Alright guys, that's all the recipe I want to show you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. Leave a comment down below what recipe you would like to try. If you want more of this type of videos, comment down below and tell me what type of content you like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you do like this video, and thanks for watching.